Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks and Adventures. Today we're going to do some more CNC. Right off the bat, we're going to attack an elephant in the room. I've been asked several times in comments about why I don't use more hardwoods because of all the bleeding and all the sanding I have to do. They're wondering why I don't use more hardwoods on the CNC. Well, I would love to. Absolutely love to be able to, if y'all hear this clanking, the wind's blowing and my door's rattling, I would love to do every piece on a hardwood. They come out so much better like this. I mean, a solid piece of wood, the cut, the sanding, everything comes out better. Money. Okay, so even plywood right now, the plywood I use is a finished plywood with a birch coating, just a little thin birch veneer, and it is like $70 a sheet now. However, it is more cost effective for me to go get a sheet of birch for $70 and do somewhere between 16 and 24 average size signs that I normally do, or little plaques, and the same amount of wood would cost almost $500 in a hardwood. I mean, I can't justify spending that much more money on the same thing when you get the effect that I'm going for. Absolutely agree. I absolutely would love to do everything in a solid wood. And I'll do some more stuff in cedar. I've got a bunch of cedar. I just don't want to do everything in cedar. I just don't think it all comes out right. Some pieces would, some pieces wouldn't. That's just the way it goes. So today, what we're going to do is just a little bit of, I don't know if you call it home decor, basically just an engraving. And what I'm doing is testing the limits of running a piece through the planer. You know, I did that on the last one with the hummingbird. In fact, I've got the hummingbird right here. You saw it came out great. And, oh, well, I'm going to try it again. So I made sure to do an engraving that had a little bit deeper relief on it. And so hopefully I can just run it through the planer, bam, be done with it. We'll see. So that's what we're going to do today. It's a little another piece of CNC decor. So let's go. Well, that was it. Yeah, yeah. I messed that one up in a big way because I forgot to turn the camera on at one point. So, what did I do with it? Here it is. I didn't try to run this piece of wood through the planer for this simple reason. I got another piece of scrap 3/4 inch, and you can see all the yellowing. Right here you can see the darkening. Well, I got to looking, and the veneer on this is real dark. So I would have to go down almost 1/8 of an inch to get past it. So I tried that on another piece of scrap, and it made kind of a waffle board effect. It just had a weird effect. Well, by the time I got down that deep, I would have cut through several of the layers of things that I've done. So here is the finished product, and I've just sanded this. That's where I screwed up. I got almost all the way down to sand, and I was seeing if I was in frame. Well, I would have been in frame if I'd have turned the camera on. That always helps. So you saw there at the end, I went in and hit the old eyes with a little bit of blue. That's the whole idea behind the outline of blue. That makes the eyes kind of stand out a little bit better. Thought this one came out amazing. This is what you call tribal clip art. Tribal being the same stuff most people get put on tattoos. And I just love a lot of this artwork. To me, this one just stood out. That's why I wanted to do it. And again, it had deeper relief, and I thought I was going to run it through the planer and just try that little method out again. No. And sanding. No, y'all didn't see that either. It's just me sanding. I mean, you really didn't miss much. I did show the little bit of paint, so. Anyway, I hope I covered some of the questions about using a hardwood or using a solid piece of wood. I would love to. I'm just not a rich guy. So coming up, we are going on vacation. And I will be doing some videos on vacation. I will be releasing some videos from vacation. Again, that's not going to be all this. I've looked at altering the name of the channel a little bit, and it'll be something close to this still, just kind of so I can encompass both things, because we are going to do a lot more traveling. To the point that we've got fixing to list our house so we can downsize and afford to go more. We just enjoy it that much. And it's one of those deals whenever the wife says this is what we need to do, guess what we're doing? So guys, that's going to be about it for today. If y'all haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.